How do you don't have reds or fives?
No, I don't.
This is so sad. Oh, you fucked me now, Sai.
Oh, well, you know. Away.
Whoa.
Get fucked.
I want to be free of this hell.
We've been here for 2 seconds.
Yeah, well...
I've made a mistake.
Oh. You have to trade cards!
I've made a mistake.
I don't know if you want my cards. Oh, great. Thanks.
Oh.
Thanks for that. You're giving
Yeah,
Pudding the lead?
Chaos.
How could you?
Chaos.
Oh.
Swear to God, does Pudding have a yellow card?
Maybe. Oh.
Sigh! You just let Pudding win! You let that stupid AI bot win!
Fizzle.
No.
We're friends, right?
We're married.
Oh, you're running out of time. Oh.
Oh.
Sorry.
Fuck you.
Oh. Me or Pudding?
Pudding.
Okay.
Well... What are you trading with?
Oh. Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh.
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 No, Pudding! Pudding!
I have a problem for this solution. Oh, wait.
It's okay, I got this.
I
No,
see
wait.
here.
I have a problem for this.
What do you mean?
I want to do a thing. There we go.
Oh. Oh dear.
Oh.
Why did Pudding have 2 more 7s?
Hey.
What
What was
I'm
that
sorry.
for?
I'm sorry.
the fuck?
My numbers. Teehee. Hey!
You have 69?
I'm sorry.
Yeah, I do have 69. Now I have. Wow, the 69 has been interrupted. Oh, wait, I shouldn't
Oh.
have said it like that. Sorry. Don't worry.
69 is interrupted.
It's no longer interrupted. Guys. Oh, challenge! Fuck! Oh shit!
What stinks?
You could take mine if you want.
No, I'm good. Thanks.
You sure? Oh, fuck.
Oh, fuck. You don't want my numbers.
Are they 69?
No.
No, then I definitely don't want them.
Why me? You have. Hermes had 2 fucking cards.
They weren't 69!
Neither are mine.
Well? Oh.
Oh, fuck! Oh,
Nice.
shit!
Oh no!
God
Fucking-
damn it!
Pudding. I should have saved that. Sure.
Oh. Throw it back. You want it?
Thanks.
I guess. Oh.
Wait, I want it too.
Oh.
God, you fuckwad.
Oh,
Sorry.
Why are you fucking me over? Pudding's gonna win!
I don't think it gives you an
want
option.
on your pudding.
If Pudding has a yellow card, we're fucked.
Do you have a. Oh.
win.
Nice.
I finally. New item unlocked in my design. What is that?
These items are really ugly.
Weird.
Cause now it's like. There's bars at the top and bottom.
Oh my god.
They won't go away.
Hey, what the fuck was that for? Who did that? Did
It's
Chomper do
okay,
that
I'll
to me?
save you. I'll save you.
Okay. Oh, thanks.
Oh.
Well, I'm
Oh.
kind of useless. Sorry, Sai. This is the only card I can play.
Wait, hold on. Oh.
It's the only card I had.
Oh.
Well, blame Chomper for swapping out my fucking cards.
Chomper, you bitch.
Sorry, that was yet again the only card.
Oh, this is feeling targeted.
Oh wait, no, I had something else I could play. Oh shit, I'm sorry. Oh my god.
Oh, why is it? Oh.
Oh,
Hey, what?
it auto played that for me. I didn't choose to play it.
Can I play it again? Fuck you.
Oh.
Sorry. What? What?
Yo, what the fuck?
Wait, I'll save. I'll save us.
Oh shit. By save us, you mean save yourself?
Yup. I clicked it.
Fast enough.
Oh.
I didn't have time to click it.
Well. Should have been
Aw.
faster.
Damn, do you not know your colors?
Oh.
Oh. Basil. Oh.
I only had
Sigh.
yellows.
Why is it skipping me?
What? Oh. I don't believe you.
Oh.
Can't believe
Why'd you gotta
this.
do them like that?
You got rid of some cards.
Yeah, well, how many cards do I have, Sai? You should count.
It tells me.
You're right, it does.
Here's what I'm giving you a gift.
Oh,
69.
thanks.
Oh, I have way too many cards. Don't look at me.
I mean, you're kind of on my screen. I kind of have to.
Sorry.
I guess I'll look now. I think Basil should look.
Oh.
Why? I've done nothing wrong. I'm just existing.
I'm spreading the
I
wealth.
mean, playing seriously. You know, like, hey, let's fuck Basil, huh?
I'm sharing the wealth.
I'll feel very loved.
Oh.
No,
We need to
Chomper's gonna
discuss
win.
This in couples
No,
therapy.
Chomper has 2.
Oh, damn it! I didn't even have a chance.
Gotta click.
Now this is
faster.
starting to piss me off.
Oh.
No.
Fuck you, Chomper. No, why would you do that?
I'm sorry.
I was gonna fuck Chomper, but now I can only fuck you.
Oh. Oh.
What was that for?
I had 2 of them. I just wanted to have fun. Oh, whoa.
I had 2 ones, 2 red ones.
Holy shit.
You're doing great, guys.
Oh, we're so Chomper's ahead though. Oh. Why would you
I
do
didn't
that
have
to
any
me?
other blues.
Okay, and you didn't have any other reds, huh?
Sorry.
Hey,
Sorry, I like piss. Oh.
Do you?
I think we
That's
should unpack
crazy.
that.
Hydrated or dehydrated?
I don't want to answer that. Do we have? Can I stack this? Hermes, do you have a +2?
Huh?
I said, do you have a +2? Because I can stack this.
I don't.
Oh.
Thanks.
Sorry?
Reconsidering our friendship.
Oh. Sorry.
No, you're not.
I'm always sorry. That's my secret.
You're not Canadian enough.
Oh. Hey,
I'm
Hermes,
sorry.
you have a +2.
I'm kicking you from the game. I can't live laugh lobster like this.
Lobster?
Yeah.
Lobster. One time in high school, I did a tarot reading using Uno cards.
How did that go?
It went good. I mean, I just made things up depending on what card it was.
Oh,
I see.
okay.
Chomper.
I'm challenging it. Fuck. Sorry, Basil.
You know what, Hermes? Fuck you. How about that? I'll come in for you.
Can I have a turn?
No.
You ever nearly choke on waters so hard that you almost throw up?
Yeah.
Are you
I've-
okay?
No,
I have thrown up water before.
I just coughed so bad that it was almost gonna throw up.
Don't do that.
Do you need to stop? Are you okay?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
I just went down the wrong pipe, I guess.
That wasn't challenging. Carnival, what? What have I done?
You gave me cards, or no, you denied me a turn, actually. Did you just whisper?
I was saying the lyrics to the song I'm listening to.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I also heard that. I was like, what's happening?
I'm sorry.
My cards are kind of. You kind of just.
Are you
traded it
fucking
for the
kidding
same
me?
shit. You traded it for the exact same colors. Well, Basil,
No.
doing this again.
I haven't won once. Fuck
Well,
you.
do it again.
Oh dear. It forced me to. I couldn't.
Damn, couldn't you have played a different color? Oh, damn.
No.
I'm gonna kill myself.
Do we want to keep going, or are we done?
It just kept going. Oh,
I mean, we still have a choice in our hearts. Oh, I'm picking. Hello? What? Oh, it's hi. Oh,
you
this is
okay?
awkward. No,
You're right. You just sound
I
like you're
can't
having
click.
an aneurysm. Oh,
I can't
What?
click. It won't let
You
me
can't.
click.
what?
It won't let me play a card.
Oh,
It wouldn't let me. Who wants it?
take chompers. They
Oh,
have less
okay.
cards. Oh,
Oh,
well,
It's okay.
that was.
I'm sorry.
Can we stop, please? You're welcome, I guess.
Aww.
Oh my god.
I know.
Why did you have these?
I got really lucky. Then I got really unlucky.
Hermes, look at this.
Oh, are they all zeros? Oh, oh dear. I guess I'll call it.
Hermes, go ahead and take the win.
And it fucks Chomper for no reason needed.